Hello and welcome to this homework guide. So you can see that I've completed this homework, and if we run this, well, yes, the program finds the treasure or it doesn't find the treasure, and you can see that's quite dynamic, right? So I can do lots of spaces and it still processes it in the correct format, which is what we want. We want the format to be like this. This is how we're going to be able to find, using a format like this, is how we're going to be able to find the dictionary key value pair, or the dictionary value, which is emerald, ruby, and sapphire. So let's get rid of everything so far, and we're going to find out how to do this step by step. Okay, good, perfect. So the first thing we're going to do is play, and you can see that the user has the option to type in their inputs. Now, you need to be careful of users because they might be putting in spaces at the beginning, then another space here, and then another space at the end. And in that case, that will mess up the way that Python passes your your input. So we need to get rid of any white space, which is any extra spaces here. So we'll do that like so. We'll say coordinates is now equal to coordinates after you strip it of any white space. And then we're also going to split it based on the comma. So we can say x and y is equal to coordinates dot split on comma. Actually, we'll do this split on comma. Very good. Now, oh, this should actually be like that. Sorry, there we go. Yes, very good. So now we now have the coordinates in a very, very good format that is ready to be put into a tuple. Let's actually check that's the case. So we have x and y, 1, 1. Okay, we have 1, 1. Let's do it 1, 1, like so. 1, 1, good. And we'll get rid of the space here just to double check something. 1, 1. Good, 1, 1. Okay, perfect. So now we want to convert this back into an integer, but before that, let's put it back into a tuple, and we're going to see why this step is important, because it's not actually obvious why it's important just yet. So we're going to convert the coordinates back into a tuple by doing this position is now equal to x. I think it's actually x, y, like so, and that will convert it into the format we need. Here we're going to just print off the pos, or print off the pos rather, to check that we have it in the correct format. Let's see if that is correct. So we have 1, 3. Okay, so this should actually give you a clue, right, about why I wanted to convert it into an integer. So you're going to see what we're going to do right now to convert it back into an integer. Okay, so all we're going to do here is we're going to say x, y is equal to int x and int y, like so. Now press play and we'll do 1, 1. Okay, now you can see that the format is just a regular integer, and you can actually check this by using type. Right, so is it still running? Why is the agent running? Okay, let's actually get rid of this agent. Stop, there we go. Okay, get rid of that. There we go. Okay, good. I think I must have accidentally clicked ask agent right there. So now when we print this, well, let's print out the type to double check that it is an integer. Good. And we'll run that again. 3, 4. Okay. So now you can see it's a class of tuple, which is what we need. So now we need to check to see if this pos is inside of this treasure right here. So we're going to say if pos is in treasure, print it is here, else print you failed. This is just a quick check. So we'll do 1, 1. Okay, it's here. We know that 1, 1 is a coordinate that has treasure. 1, 3, you failed. Good, okay. So now what we can do is, since we know that this works, we can now also print out emerald, right? So we can say print treasure, and we do it in a different way because it's a tuple. We do it like this. So we say pos in this way, and then we can say print there was no treasure at position. We can turn this to an off string, or to F string rather. Position, position pos. Okay, good. Yes, I think this is what we need, and we'll put it into the correct format just so we're super specific to the user. 1, 3. There is no treasure. Position, yes, good. Do it one more time. 1, 1. And emerald, very good. So you can see that this works now, and this is kind of how you solve the homework, right? So it's not too difficult, but it did involve you combining a few different lessons together to create this little program, which checks for treasure. So very good. That should be very helpful for your homework, and I hope that is helpful. And if you need anything, I'm here to help. So just ask me, and I'll happily make another video for you guys. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next homework assignment. Goodbye.